Hey pals, here is Desh Agrawal. This is my first tutorial about ZBrush 4R4. Today I'm gonna give you the introduction and explain you the entire interface of ZBrush 4R4. So, as you click the icon of ZBrush 4R4 in your desktop, this screen opens up, and after opening this, um, here we start. This is the logo of ZBrush, and this is the name of the software, ZBrush. And Pixologic is the company who developed ZBrush. This is the version 4R4. 4R4 is the version of the software. Here is some alphabets. You don't have to care about this. Here is ZBrush document. This entire interface is known as ZBrush document. Active memory, scratch disk, free memory. You also don't have to care about this also. Comes over here. Here is a menu command button. See what happens. Something goes off. Click it again. Something goes in. Means the button highlight from the orange color means they are on active mode. Wherever you want to click, over here or here, like see this, the button highlights, and this command buttons also highlights. So if you want to close your menu bar, you can switch off. If you want to see, switch it on. If you want to switch on mRGB, click it, means this button is on active mode. So again, comes over here. This is the menu button, and right now menu button is on active mode. Default script, leave it. Have you ever want to change the color of your other 3D softwares? But what happens? You can't do that. But in ZBrush, what you think you can do that. See what happens. From this button, you can change the color of ZBrush interface, like pearl blue. You can change it to graphite. You can change it to pearl pink. You can change it to silver. You can change it to gray silver. You can also change it to dark graphite color. You can change it to completely silver color, and many more. But I love the default color, so I'll go back from here and I'll switch it to this default color. I love this color. You can also change the layout of this interface. Like if you don't want to put this tool button over here, you can dock it to in place of left shelf. You can place that left shelf to right shelf. You can also change this right shelf and put it over here. Anything you can do that. See what happens. User interface. Wow. You can also change it to blank. You can see the brush controls comes over here, and the top menu comes over here. You can change it to like this, but I love this default one, so pretty cool. Comes here, unlock UI. UI means user interface. If you ever see this open, means it's fine. If you ever see this and close, means you have to uninstall the software and reinstall it. Just not a big deal. This is the hide button. This is this button minimize, to minimize the screen of your ZBrush interface, and this button you all know very well. So this is the menu bar. This from this 23 menus, this menu bar. This entire area is known as top shelf. This entire area is known as top shelf. This is known as left shelf. This area is known as right shelf, and this entire area is known as tool palette, or you can say as toolbox, whatever you like. This is lightbox. As you open up your document, just close this. You don't want that right now. This area is known as your workspace, or you can say this as canvas. This is canvas, and the cursor rotation as the control of my mouse, this is known as brush in the technical terminology of ZBrush. So this is the interface of ZBrush 4R4. I can explain you a little bit more. This left shelf buttons is known as quick launch bar. From here, this box to this box, this entire area is known as quick launch bar. And this is color picker. This 4-5 buttons is known as navigational buttons, or you can say as navigational controls. And from this mRGB to this draw size, this full buttons, this group of buttons is known as brush controls. So this is the some more declaration of interface. uh, you can say this two triangles, this is known as divider. By mistake, if ever happened this, don't panic, just go over here and click this. By clicking this, you can enlarge the area where you want to dock your menu. Like these menus can be docked over here. See, I'm going to show you an example like this. Pick it up and drag it over here. Just if you want to do more, click this short button, drag it up and drop over here. If you want to work in a canvas, just close it down, close it down, close it down. Do you want this palette always? So this is the introduction and short introduction and interface of ZBrush 4.4. I hope you enjoyed all. Happy ZBrushing.